Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat back with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about Voyager token and whether it's a good token to get into. It's absolutely mooned. It is 1793% up in the last 30 days. So is this a good token to get into? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a new visitor, hit that subscribe button and bell notification, and let's get into the video. So Voyager token, basically, if you can look at Voyager tokens, very similar to BlockFi, Celsius Network, Crypto.com. It's basically like a crypto app, but it's not an exchange. It doesn't have a web interface. It's just an app, and it deals with crypto. Okay, so this is the site here. You can go at investvoyager.com. It has 50 plus digital assets. This is the app here. Now it's only available to US customers currently, 49 states excluding New York. They're working on New York, and it hasn't come out to international customers yet. So, you know, reflective of the price today, even though it has mooned, it has not coming out international market. If they do this, which I believe they will at some point in the future, I think that they can easily double their user base. So, you know, America is still only a small country compared to the rest of the world, okay? There is more countries in the world outside America than inside America, so plenty of room, plenty of meat on the bone, so to speak. So they use the broker model, smart order routing. So if you can imagine, is like Voyager, the app, you're going through the app, and it's kind of like a aggregator. It kind of like goes out and finds all the best prices on multiple exchanges, and then it uses a commission-free structure. So it finds you the best price, then it takes a small portion out of the price that is already cheaper. Okay, so you're already saving the price as if you were to buy it off a regular exchange, and then this out of the saving, they're taking their little cut. That's basically what they mean by commission free. However, there is also a token attached to this, which is what I'll talk about soon. These are the 50 plus tokens you can have a look at, all the top tokens in the crypto space, so plenty of choices to pick from. It's an all-star team. Okay, Steve Ehrlich is the CEO. All these other guys, Philip Eaton, Gillespie DeRuzzi, and Oscar Salazar, these are all all-star guys that have got stellar records, have a lot of experience in this space. And also the app, Voyager, is a publicly traded company, and it's on the Canadian Stock Exchange, and they recently bought this other company here. It's called LGO, which also have their own token, and they also purchased them out and did a merger with them to expand into Europe. So this is a company that has a publicly traded company on the stock exchange, which is different to Celsius and Coinbase. They don't have publicly traded companies on the stock exchange. I don't think Crypto.com has either. So these are the interest rates that you can get if you park your crypto in their app, and they're going to give you these. Now they do have this loyalty program, okay? So this is really important because this is the utility. This is the reason why people buy Voyager token, because then they can have the benefits that the loyalty program offers. It's pretty much like Crypto.com as well. You know, you stake so much Crow in your app, you get the highest level. Same with Celsius. The more Celsius you stake, the higher the rewards, okay? The more interest you get and the lower interest in the loans that you have to pay back. Very similar to this, and this is what gives you utility. It says the circulating supply is 222 million, and then they had the LGO token holders. So it says here estimated maximum supply post 1 year is 95 million plus times 7% APY equals 316 million plus tokens. Okay, so this is the loyalty program. Basically, you know, the more you get, the Explorer is the lowest, 25 VGX, which is currently $3. You get this cashback rewards. This one here says you have to pay $5 a month on the Explorer. The referral fee is $10 and withdrawal savings fee is 10% and so forth. The interest boost is 0.5%. And then you got the Navigator, which is you need 50 VGX. Debit card is free, referral is $20, and the withdrawal fee saving is 20%. The boost is 1%, and then the Voyager, which is the highest tier, is 100 VGX, free debit card, $30 referral in VGX tokens, 30% withdrawal fee, and 1.5 boost. All right, so the interest boost APR, receive an additional interest APR boost to standard interest rates on the selected assets depending on the tier level. So basically it means this: if whatever you deposit, you're going to get the actual boost corresponding to the loyalty program. So the Voyager is the highest, you get 1.5 extra. So say for example you put in USDC, you get 1.5 extra, so you add that on top of the 8.5, you get 10%. And with BTC, you get an extra 1.5% on Voyager level, which would boost you up to 7%. Okay, so that's what the boost is, and that's pretty big percentage increase. So this is really the negative part of it here. It's the eligibility. They say you need to have crypto or VGX in your portfolio, and then they have to tell you the values that you need. So this eligibility negates kind of the loyalty program here. But there is a lot of pushback on this, and a lot of people are upset about this, so they're looking at changing this. So once they change this eligibility structure, or if they just get rid of it altogether, that's yet to be seen. They still are working through that, but they said that they're going to fix it, and once they do fix it, it's really going to bring this VGX token to light, and it's really going to make it more valuable, and people are going to buy it because of this utility function. Okay, so that's the main points about Voyager. All right, now let's talk about whether this is worth investing in. Because it has mooned. Basically, like 2 days ago, it was only $1. Now it's $3. 200% up. The market cap 683 million. The circulating supply went over that. It's about 222 million. Now let's look at because we have to compare apples with apples as much as we can. If we look at Celsius, which is pretty much they're coming into Celsius space because they're very similar products, not entirely the same, but very similar. An app where you can stake your crypto and get interest rates. Pretty much that's what Celsius is. If we look at Celsius market cap, it's 1.8 billion, but they've got a larger supply of 695 million, and about 50-60% of that is 383 million is already out. So based off that, just using roughly here, we could probably say that this could, because it's only 222, this could easily 3x. Okay, so 683 million to get to 1.8, that's 18,666 you're looking at. If this came up to the same market cap as Celsius, then this would basically go to $10, $9 to $10, okay? But what's working in its favor is all the supply is out, and it's got a smaller supply than Celsius. See, Celsius has got 3 times the supply and about 55 to 60% of the supply out. This has got 1/3 of the supply and almost 100% of the supply is out. That means there's going to be less dilution, or nearly no dilution, except for the interest that's accumulated to push it to 316. So literally just basically not much dilution at all. And that is a good thing. That means that the demand can still stay fairly constant, and the price should still move up. When you get a lot of dilution, the price drops. So we don't want the price to drop. So is there still plenty of meat on the bone with this? Yes, absolutely. I think you can get to about $9 to $10 short term, and I'm saying you can do that about 3 months. Yeah, so it can basically triple its price in 3 months. Realistically, I mean, that's only another billion in market cap, 1.2 billion in market cap, and being the scale of the project that it is, again, publicly traded company, Canadian Stock Exchange, highly regulated, stellar team, with the merge with LGO already, not even opening up to the international market yet. All right, so that'll immediately double the user base. And they're also working on licenses in New York and all the other things I mentioned. Basically, I think that this is still early days, plenty of meat on the bone. You can get to about $9 to $10 in the short term. So those plenty of time, guys. So let me know your comments, guys. What are your thoughts on Voyager? Comment below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and the bell notification, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50+ HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.